I thought it was disgusting. I felt like crying for her, but I didn't care.
She looks like a boy. She's going to be crying tonight, that poor cow. God, I wouldn't like to be you.
For a hairstylist to say that. Insane. They gave a model a bowl haircut for these makeovers. I cannot believe it. It's Britain's Next Top Model, Season 7. Let's take a look and see what the British are up to. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Jesus Christ, I had better win if they cut off my hair because I will have no life with this short hair.
They told me
the truth of it all though. They better not cut off my hair unless I'm gonna win the show. That's what I'm saying. If you're gonna chop my hair off, give me the contract. Now, because this girl in particular is saying that, she's probably gonna get short hair and not win.
They told me I had Charlie. I lost all hope. I feel like I'm being so...
I lost all hope.
It was out of my hands completely, so I was like bricking it. Just give me the verdict.
You have a beautiful face, right? Beautiful faces can take very short hair.
I knew it.
However...
Oh, he's killing me.
Today, you're going to have it treated and you're going to have it straightened.
Give us a hug, come on.
So, okay.
Don't take it the wrong way. The one thing I don't understand is when you look in the mirror, why you don't think, I need a fringe. What you've got is a great look. It would be a crime for us to cut it off. We need it more punchy.
Chinese angels.
Did this man just say it would be a crime to chop it all off? Sir, do you know what show you're on? This man's not going to be here next season. There's no way. He's going to be the first one to go. They're going to be like, oh, and for the ones who are coming back, not you, Charlie. Not you. What's it? I don't even know what his name is.
Let's do this. I don't even want to look. My hair! It's gone!
What are they going to do with my hair?
Her hair looks great.
Good question.
I have this amazing body, but really mumsy.
So we're going to be adding hair to your hair, and you will be the blonde bombshell.
What I really want to do
What
is
is going on?
cut it so that it's a more manageable length.
You just need a good haircut.
So I was like, okay, you know, whatever else says, you know.
What do you think I'm going to do?
Bald.
Yeah, well, I'm going to cut your hair, but how do you think I'm going to cut your hair?
Short.
Yeah, I'm going to cut your hair short. Oh my goodness. It's going to be short, and we're going to do it really dark.
Whoa, why is there now music? I ain't got no money. But together we'd be the perfect soulmates. Except they're about to chop my hair off. This back and forth, like,
what do you think I'm gonna do? What do you... Just guess. Just guess. It's not gonna be long. Please. That's hilarious. What else? What else? Your medium length? A trim? No, not a trim. We're gonna shave everything off. But it's gonna be good for you in your 3-episode career on this show.
Let's not do this back and forth, okay? I don't have time. I need to, if I'm gonna cry, I want to cry right away. I don't want to prolong this, like, okay, do I need a box of Kleenex? You know, I just want to, just tell me what it is. I don't need to wait to know what's going on.
Do you want it chocolate or a bit more deeper than chocolate?
I think it should be quite a deep colour. Yeah.
Basically, they're going to go dark, which is her first nightmare, and then she wakes up, and then they're going to cut it into a crop this long, which is her second nightmare.
It looks
And so,
terrible.
Reality, it's going to be like she's dreaming in a nightmare.
I don't know what kind of look I can't speak anymore.
Oh God. What is with the music? Oh my God. Why are we playing I Whip My Hair Back and Forth? For this one especially, when they're about to chop her hair off. Did we see the preview? He was going like this. He was doing this. That doesn't even look good on me right now. Look at this. Would you guys suggest I cut my hair like this? No. Maybe if you don't like me. The model looks like she's about to have a breakdown. She's holding in her tears. She's just it's like a dreadfulness just waiting to get your hair cut off. And there's nothing that you can do about it because everyone around you is expecting this to happen. So there's music overlaid with this for some reason. So we're going to have to mute this, but let's watch together.
The emphasis for you is on colour. You're going to have something very, very directional.
I wouldn't like to go black.
You wouldn't like to
So I
go
don't
black.
think I'm going to go black. Got to draw there.
So she makes a mistake there. She tells him, I wouldn't like to go black. So she's going black. Okay, great. Have we learned nothing from the other makeover videos? You just have to lie, everyone. They're lying to you. You might as well return the favor.
Cutting it.
Off. All off. Off. I'm not kind of as nervous as the other girls. The other girls are like, oh, I don't want him to cut my hair and everything. Oh, you know.
We're looking at doing basically a page boy haircut.
Do you know what it looks like?
So it's a statement.
It's like somebody's kind of put a bowl on your head and cut round it.
No.
What's the matter? I'm just nervous.
No, they're not going to do that.
I really want you to go for this. You're going to go for it. Yeah?
A ball haircut.
Do you want to be a model?
Did she just... This woman just said... It's like if you took a bowl and you cut around it. If they're bringing kitchenware into this, it's time to go. That's your sign. A bowl, a fork, a cup. If they're referencing that in reference to your haircut, you got to get up at that point. And if you don't, you are inviting kitchenware-inspired hairstyles. She's literally having to give a hug for support after hearing this news. This is not where you want to be if you're getting your hair cut. You don't want to be hugging someone for comfort. Oh my God, I can't believe they're going to bring a ball into this. If you're doing this during your haircut, you shouldn't be getting that haircut.
I'm just nervous.
Just nervous?
Hug before, I really want you to go for this. You're going to go for it. Yeah?
Are you going to go for it?
This is what you're setting yourself in for. That's your job.
It's your job to get a bowl cut?
Shut up. Get on with it.
No.
She's going to be ice white. I can see that.
We've got...
I'm sorry. I don't agree with the girl saying, oh, just shut up. Get over it. Stop crying. You hear the word bowl? She literally they're going to bring out a bowl for this one. Getting a bowl haircut is not in the job description of a model.
It's all gone. It's all gone.
Look how sexy she looks.
What do you think?
I love it. Thank you
Yeah?
so much. Yeah.
That's the before and after. Okay, see, that's nice. Just a little refinement. They didn't cut her hair any crazy length. They didn't dye it any weird color. This is a refinement. It looks good. It's very simple. I like it. Oh. Okay. All right. Okay. What? I like the length, but the bangs on her, I don't know about the bangs. This one's okay. I'm not crazy about it. Looks better in person.
You ready?
The big shot.
Oh my God. Oh, it's going. Yeah. That's okay. It's going to look fantastic. It's going to be great.
Why do they have to play music? They're playing like sad music, which I have to mute, but every 2 seconds they're playing hair-related music or sad music. She's like, oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it. You're going to look great. And look at the length of her hair. Just so you know. Okay.
It looks good already. Maybe you should just leave it like that.
Oh my God. They're making it worse. My God, this poor girl can barely drink water right now. As they're cutting her hair even shorter.
And I got bored of hearing Tanya worry about what they were going to do to her hair. It annoyed me when she cried.
Oh my God, and now she's gonna get her hair chopped off.
I reckon you're going to end up looking like this. This is going to be Tanya's makeover.
Stop. That's not even funny. This is just so terrible so far. The hairstylist and the host are having just a jolly old time. He's putting on a wig. He's like, this is how you're going to look after this. She's crying before they even start cutting any of her hair off. She looks miserable. And then we have, she's happy. She's excited. She's like, oh, yeah, you're going to look great. With her long, beautiful, luscious hair.
I've still got some to work with, so I'm happy.
Okay. See, this is a very respectable makeover. Very subtle. They added a little bit of color. They blow dried it. Cut it a little. That's it. You don't need, I'm just saying, you don't need to go from like an extreme when you're dealing with models. It's just unnecessary. It's unnecessary. Did you guys notice almost every model was like, I don't want them to cut my hair short. I don't want that. So even the models themselves don't want the short haircuts. And I got a comment on one of my videos saying, oh, you know, you don't like short haircuts and you don't think they're feminine. I love short haircuts, but when the models want them and when they're comfortable with that, not when they're forced to do it. I don't like that. I think you can definitely be feminine with a short haircut. It has nothing to do with it. It's just when they're making the girls go from long hair to short. It's a big change and they're just not ready for it.
It's really like straight now, dead straight. So it's not going to be like stuck in this one hairstyle. It can be changed to anything.
It looks the same somehow? Did they do anything for this one? It looks like it's the same length. Okay. No.
Just seen it. Just saw this helmet cut. This brown helmet on her head.
She's laughing at. Oh my God.
I thought it was disgusting. I felt like crying for her, but I couldn't care.
She looks like a boy. She's going to be crying tonight, that poor cow. God, I wouldn't like to be her.
For a hairstylist to say that. For a hairstylist to say, oh, she's going to be crying all night. Insane. Every single clip she looks miserable in. And every time they show a clip, they're cutting it more. What's left? What is left? Oh my God, what could you be doing? Terrible. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
She looks like a boy.
She looks like a boy. That's what he said.
I wouldn't like to be her.
And now they're playing Dynamite by Tayo Cruz. Tayo Cruz. Oh my God. If I'm watching this back after they traumatize me by cutting my hair into a bowl, and then they start playing Dynamite by Tayo, and then Timbaland, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
So what do you think?
Quite like it.
You're not gonna go with this colour. The colour that we would like you to go. You're gonna go very gothic, and you're gonna be like a black goth.
He's just saying.
No, I'm not. Honest, you are.
He just said you're gonna be like a black goth. I can't. Swear to God. This man needs to be stopped. He's having the time of his life. I feel like he's like, she's crying her eyes out. You're gonna be a black goth. What's left? What's left?
You're gonna go very gothic, and you're gonna be like a black goth.
No, I think you're joking.
No, I'm not. Honest, you are gonna go black. You're gonna be the Black Witch.
I don't believe you.
In around about 20 minutes, you will.
Transformation is coming.
Please remove this man. Please.
Wow, I love it! Look, she's happy. I can tell she's happy. She's all like...
Because I'm touching it now.
Okay. It kind of looks like a wig on her, like for Halloween, but they could have given her a worse haircut. Before we continue, today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform for you to build your business and brand online. Whether you're just starting out, you want to manage a growing brand, Squarespace makes it easy to create a beautiful looking website, engage with your audience, and sell anything that you can think of. Squarespace has so many amazing features. You can create your own online store, whether you want to sell physical or digital products. Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. You can also handle appointments using Squarespace. You can offer online, in-person private sessions, workshops, or even group classes. Squarespace provides everything you need to manage your schedule, accept secure payments, send automatic reminders, and beautifully showcase your services and more. How you display your work is really important, and Squarespace makes it easy by having so many customizable features With a click of a slider, you can change how large or small your photos are. You can add space in between each picture. I love how they have so many different options for you to display your work the way you want it to be seen. You can start a free trial by going to squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Jessica. Use my offer code Jessica for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. All the information will be in the description.
What is that?
What is that?
What is that? An animal or something? It's like a little dog.
What is that? Is that her hair?
What they did to me was like a torture, you know. I know I look like a boy, you know, but I can do anything.
They put her hair in a bag. Okay, okay, how are we gonna say this nicely? She looks edgier, but did they have to do this? I don't know. It doesn't look good in the interview. They try to make it look nicer here with this professional lighting. Not even the lighting modifier is gonna. Not the beautician is not gonna be able to save this. She didn't need this haircut, is what I'm saying, and that's how it looks in another view. Just very unnecessary. And this is, by the way, this is episode 6. We're like halfway into this season, and then they decide to cut her hair. How many more episodes are they gonna have left that she will be part of where she needs this haircut? Wow, beautiful. All the models that seem really happy are the ones that had minimal changes, right? I think her makeover looks really great. I love those. I love that they kept her blonde and that it's very simple. Simple, nothing too crazy. What are the pictures for they give a thumbs down before, the thumbs up for after. She looks great. She's happy, she's confident. Notice how all the girls that, again, they kept the same styles. They're smiling in their after pictures. Pink?
So you've got pink.
I'm actually quite happy.
Okay. She's happy with it.
You like it now? Are you happy?
I'm not sure.
Pink? Okay, was not expecting this. Remember, this is a modeling show. So the point is to hopefully get a modeling contract, to get jobs after this. Just the maintenance of the pink hair is just she's gonna have to deal with that after the show. And then also pink hair is just so specific. It's limiting for jobs as a model, okay? Does it look good on her? Yeah, it looks good.
I don't really do black hair.
She does look a little gothic.
Ever think about.
Okay, I like it on her though. I like it. Oh, wow. Okay. That was a roller coaster, and I wasn't even involved in that. They made someone into a MySpace queen. They gave someone pink hair, and they gave someone a bowl haircut. They called it a bowl haircut, not me. I mean, it wasn't. I've had a bowl haircut before, okay? And then people thought I was a boy for a long time. So that's my story. And I'm being serious.